Hi, this is Fiat 500X 2022 model, basically 21 or 22 model. Basically, I want to do the service light reset. I done the service light on. I couldn't reset, need to get security gateway, and I'm going to do the rear disc and pads. So again, need a security gateway. If I get security gateway, I had to spend nearly £30 for the 90 minutes. So I had to do the both at same time, but it's not enough time to do it because they send the wrong parts. I had to change it. But however, I have another unit. If someone have a Alfa Romeo or Fiat, this unit might be helpful for you. I'll show you how we're going to use this unit, saving bit money. First of all, we need to remove this socket. This one need to remove this cover, and need to remove this cover. Yeah, I'll show you step by step what I'm going to do. First, pull here, just pull, right. You can see one screw here, another screw there. After that, I'm going to remove this cover. Now we have access to remove this cover. Yeah, you can see this black color box, two wires. Yeah, I'm going to remove this both, and I'll plug in my cable and I'll show you what we can do for this one. Do it very gently manner, right? Okay, and right, okay. Before you do these steps, make sure ignition off, leave it 3 minutes for power everything shut down. Then after that, you can connect this one. Then after that, you can connect here, right, and this one, right. Now straight plug into the computer. Right, you can see it's already connected to the system. Now ignition on. When the ignition on, you can see the service light here at the dashboard. Bonnet open. I'll close the bonnet. Door open. Yeah, service over, service due in 10 days. Yeah, now I'm going to the computer. Go to the service section. Oil reset. Okay. Hot function. Automatic reset. Okay. Oil change indicator has been reset. Have a look the dashboard. It said oil service done. Right. Okay, it's gone. Escape from here. Escape from here. Right. Escape. Right. I'm going to now ignition off and ignition on. We'll see what happened to the service light. Oil service done. Yeah. Now, no anymore. Still message come. Right. Okay. I feeling I need to take out everything. Okay. Right. It say oil service done, but it's still message come. Yeah, I'm going to repeat again from the manual. Okay. Reset. Yeah, close. Okay, this one done. Escape, escape, exit. Yes, exit from the whole function now. Right, now ignition off and ignition on, and we'll see what's going on. Yeah, it's worked now. Right, what you have to do, you have to exit from the old menu from the computer, then after that you will be fine. You can see light disappeared now. Thank you. And also I'm going to do the rear brake caliper. What we need to do, escape from here. No, press no. Yes. Now before do the settings, you need to press the brake pedal and release this button. I'm going to press the brake pedal and release this button. Now you heard it's released. Right, okay. Now we need to go this one. Fiat. I'm going to maintain modes. Now you can hear the parking brake winding sign at the back, and you can see all activate now. Right, proceed complete successful. Press OK. Right, I'm going to leave it as it is everything, then the switch off the ignition. And right, I'm going to check is this work nicely. Just put in the screwdriver, just one finger, and pull it back. You can see nice and easy peasy movement. That's mean this one work nicely. Now we need to reinstall rear disk and pads. Then after that we need to reset from the computer. Now you know I spent for this cable nearly 15 pound, but it's lifetime free. Paying 30 pound for the brake, paying 30 pound for the service reset for the dealer, but however it's valid 90 minutes. So you decide which way you want to go. Little bit hassle, but okay. And the one more thing, when you're going to remove this one, everything done it. After that, reset with the computer. You can using your normal launch, hotel, whatever computer. Then after that, switch off. Wait 5 minutes to until vehicle sleep. Once the vehicle sleep, disconnect this thing and connect it to the inside box. You will be fine. Yeah, comment section open for you. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention in the comment section. I'll come back to you. However, because of we are getting lot of inquiries, so I can reply to you first inquiry, but if you ask counter inquiries, counter replies, so I don't have a time. I'm apologies. So because of that, I'm introducing my WhatsApp group and Facebook group. Many drivers there, many mechanics there, they will reply to you. So thanks for watching. See you with the next video.